Personal box break 2016 Leaf Trinity football for Finman. Good luck, Finn. I have the brand new Donruss football, if anybody wants. Came out a couple days ago, 2016 Donruss football personal boxes. I also have a cheap random on a half case break of that in the store. First up, Cincinnati Bearcats, 2012 to 2015. Mikhail McKay. Next up, 3-color patch. On-card auto, 3-color patch of Rashard Higgins. Next up is number to 25, 0425, 2-color. Name or something on the patch there. Auto, Aaron Green. Out of 25. Next up, 2015, 196 carries, 1,213 yards, and 9 touchdowns. Auto, Jordan Howard. What's up, dude? And last card in here is number to 25 on the clear acetate auto, 5 of 25. Sterling Shepard. 5 of 25 for Sterling Shepard, acetate. Thank you, Finn. I appreciate it as always.